All right, guys, you've seen the title and the thumbnail, so you already know we got a slow cooker recipe on the menu today. And yes, I was gifted this slow cooker and also the sponsor of this video, Buydeem. They sent me their multifunctional 5-in-1 non-stick slow cooker to actually do this particular video. So guys, before we jump into the video and we go over our ingredients, I need to talk about this slow cooker here because you guys are going to be surprised. Are you looking for that one kitchen appliance that can literally do it all? Then let me put you on to the Buydeem 5-in-1 multifunctional slow cooker, because this little machine has been changing how I cook at home lately. It is truly multifunctional. You can slow cook, saute, steam, stew, and my favorite part, it has a dry bean feature. You can take beans straight from the bag to fully cook with no soaking, no babysitting, just set it and let it work. It is built for long and low cooking with a full 24-hour maximum cooking time. This is perfect for deep flavor and dishes that take patience. And what I like about it the most, it also supports all cookware. So whatever pot or pan that you already love, the base of this slow cooker can handle it. This gives you endless possibilities without buying extra accessories. The design is clean, is modern, and best believe it looks great in your kitchen. And keep in mind, when your meal is done, the 8-hour keep warm setting holds it at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. No reheating and no drying out. This thing is solid too. You get reliable, rock steady performance every time you turn it on. If you want more flexibility in the kitchen and less stress, the Buydeem multifunctional cooker is definitely worth checking out. I'm gonna leave the link to it in the video description below, along with my coupon code ALLWINGS20. So after the video, click that link, and now let's talk about these ingredients. So after that, you tell me if this slow cooker is worth its weight in gold. I'm gonna tell you it is, because I'm gonna show you guys how to make this macaroni and cheese in this slow cooker. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's go over these ingredients. Back here we have our cheeses. Now I'm using cheddar cheese, smoked Gouda, and Monterey Jack cheese. Now you can use whatever cheese you like. It's totally up to you. It's all about preference, and this is my preference. Right here we have our elbow pasta, carnation milk, Velveeta cheese, flour, salt. Right here I'm using yellow mustard. I didn't have any Dijon mustard because I typically use Dijon, but you can also use yellow mustard. It enhances the flavor of that cheese without it tasting mustardy, should I say? Black pepper, heavy whipping cream, milk, garlic and onion powder here, smoked paprika, and we have our butter here. So that's all you need. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to cook our macaroni pasta according to the box instructions. As you see, I already got my water up to a boil. I've already salted it, and we're gonna add our pasta here. And we're gonna let that cook for about 7 to 9 minutes until al dente. All right, so while that's cooking, we're gonna head over to our cutting board and start preparing our cheese sauce. All right, to get started, we're gonna melt our butter. So guys, now that I'm thinking about it, you can actually make this cheese sauce in the slow cooker. So you can do the entire process of this slow cooker macaroni and cheese in the Buydeem slow cooker. And now it just hit me that I could have done that, but that just shows you the versatility of this particular slow cooker. So yes, I wanted to throw that out there just so you guys can know this whole process can be done in this Buydeem slow cooker. Once that butter melts, we're gonna sprinkle in our flour, and we're gonna get this whisked in for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's smooth. You'll start to smell a nutty flavor, and you want like a pale blonde color like this. Next, we're gonna go in with our carnation milk, our heavy whipping cream, and our whole milk. We're gonna continue to mix this until it thickens up slightly. You don't want it to go to a rolling boil though, so you just want it to simmer till it's thickened slightly. All right guys, as you can see, it's starting to come to a slight boil. So we're gonna turn our heat off. Now we're gonna add our Velveeta cheese cubes, and we're just gonna let this warm milk melt our cheese. Some people use cream cheese in this step, but I like to use Velveeta cheese. So if you don't like Velveeta cheese, 'cause I know some people don't like Velveeta cheese, you can use cream cheese. But I would rather Velveeta in my macaroni more so than cream cheese. So we're gonna allow this warm milk mixture to melt our cheese. Should take a couple of minutes. All right, so once your cheese has melted, we're gonna start adding our seasoning, like our onion and garlic powder, our paprika, our black pepper, and our salt, and our mustard. And we're gonna give this a good mix, get it well combined. All right, at this step right here, I recommend you taste your sauce to make sure it has the right amount of seasoning in it. This is crucial. For me, that's perfect. All right, so now let's head over to our slow cooker so we can continue with this process. Okay, so now we're at our slow cooker, and as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, what we're gonna use to make our macaroni is our Buydeem 5-in-1 multifunctional non-stick slow cooker. And if you take a look right here, it has a large heating surface that makes the cooking efficient and fast. And it comes with these handle mitts like this that you can add to the side, because we know that baby's gonna be hot, and you could just lift it up just like this. So if you're looking to take your cooking to the next level, I'm gonna leave a link to this product in the video description below. Use the coupon code, check it out, let me know what you think. So let's get back to cooking this macaroni. All right, to get started, we're gonna put half of our macaroni and cheese here at the bottom. Now, if you don't have a non-stick crock pot, you may wanna grease it, but this is non-stick, so I don't need that. That's the beauty of this Buydeem. It's non-stick. So you're gonna put half of it at the bottom like this. You're gonna add a third of your cheese on top of your macaroni. You're gonna pour half of your cheese sauce over the top like this. We're gonna repeat the same layers. The remaining of our mac and cheese here. The remaining of our pasta. Another third of our cheese. The remaining of our cheese sauce. And we're gonna top this with the last third of our cheese. Now this is what's gonna create that topping, that cheesy topping that macaroni cheese typically has. All right, so now we're gonna place the lid on this baby. We're gonna turn this baby on. It's already on slow cook, low. We're gonna keep it on low. Now I'm gonna cook mine all right, so now it's already on slow cook. We're gonna drop that baby down to 3 hours. So you cook it 3 to 4 hours on low, but I think 3 hours is gonna be good enough. I don't see us having to do 4 hours. Just like that, you just turn the knob for the settings, hit menu to change the functions, and then of course, the temperature here. Like if I want to change and I want to put it on high, we're not gonna do high, we're gonna do low. And then we just hit this button to start it. As you can see, slow cook, low, 3 hours, we're good to go. All right, so we'll be back in 3 hours. We're just gonna let this baby cook. Do not lift the lid until the time has completed. All right, so now we're 3 hours in, and it automatically shifts to warm after your timer hits whatever time frame you're cooking it for. It automatically drops the pot into warm. So if you were to go out to work and you put it on 8 hours, you come back, it's not gonna be on high. It's actually gonna adjust the temperature down to warm, and your food will just be on warm until you're able to attend to it. So let's remove this top and see what we got. Dun, 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 dun. Man, take a look at that right there. So let's head over to the cutting board so we can get into the final presentation. All right, guys, so now that we're over at our cutting board, we're gonna move our top like this. Guys, this is what we have right here. And I'm just going to put some finishing touches on it. I'm gonna add some of that green stuff, some parsley. And I like to sprinkle a little paprika on the top of it. That's like we do in the South, man. Just to make it a little pretty, we'll sprinkle a little paprika on top. You know that's what Sister Parker do when she bring that mac and cheese for Pastor's Day. And there you have it, guys. Crock pot mac and cheese. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and get this baby plated up so we can jump into quality control. All right, guys, you already know it's quality control time. We're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at that. Ooh, that mac and cheese looks so macky cheesy. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh man. Okay. I ain't no slow cooker mac and cheese can do this now. And guys, don't forget, we made this masterpiece right here in this Buydeem multifunctional 5-in-1 non-stick slow cooker. Listen, you need this slow cooker in your kitchen, and I'm gonna leave the link in the video description below, and also my coupon code ALLWINGS20 so you guys can check it out, because you definitely need one for yourself and you should give someone another one for Christmas. So until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.